Does Amazon affiliate marketing work? I am going to answer that question in this video, and I'm going to show you what does work, and I'll be showing you a few examples of products you can sell and make insane commissions using Amazon affiliate marketing. Let's get it. Amazon affiliate marketing is the biggest affiliate network out there. It's also one of the ones that offers the lowest commissions. Now, I personally advise people get started with affiliate marketing on Amazon just to understand how it works. But you might be wondering, does it actually work to make you a lot of money? Most cases, no. Okay, and I'm gonna go over what does not work in Amazon affiliate marketing, but it does work. And there are people earning full-time, substantial, millions of dollars a year income from Amazon, and I'll explain to you what that is. I'll also be showing you some examples on my computer of what you can do to make Amazon work. So first of all, what doesn't work? Selling books. You're gonna make most products on Amazon, you earn 3 to 5% commission on, okay? That's not a lot of money. You're not gonna be a millionaire selling books and earning 30 to 50 cents on. So no category goes books, okay? Almost everything under $1,000 actually is not a good choice for selling as an affiliate on Amazon. So what does work? Well, basically anything over $1,000. And I'll be showing you examples of these here. So things that work over $1,000 are things such as cameras, drones, VR gear, virtual reality gear, generators, high-end vacuum cleaners, and all sorts of other very expensive products that you can't really find in any other affiliate network. Now, let's go on my computer and I'll show you some examples of the products that you can sell on Amazon as an affiliate and make a lot of money. Okay, so here I am on Amazon, and if we search for stuff like Nikon camera, right? We'll see there's all sorts of products here. It's $649. That means if you earn even 5% commission, you're earning 30 some bucks on this camera equipment. Now, if any of you are familiar with the mega YouTuber Casey Neistat, the way Casey Neistat made most of his first money when he was YouTubing was actually through affiliate marketing for cameras on Amazon. He put all of the links to his recommended camera equipment, his drones, his tripod, his gorilla arm stuff, all of his lenses as affiliate links on his YouTube channel. And that's how he made a lot of money, because when he began, the reason people were following Casey Neistat was because he was amazing at videography. The videos he does or still does are absolutely beautiful, and he's really good with his equipment and editing and all that stuff. So that's why people followed him in the beginning, and that's how he made money. Other things you can sell from high-ticket items on Amazon include stuff like vacuum cleaners. If we look at vacuum cleaners, I mean, this is hundreds of dollars, but you can find vacuum cleaners for thousands of dollars. And let me show you an example. If we look at best vacuum cleaners, which I just did a search of here, we'll see there's top 5 vacuums. The first result is an ad, top 5 vacuums of 2019, Vacuum Buyer's Guide, best reviews. And it takes us to this site, and we see there's a Dyson vacuum, a Hoover vacuum, a Shark vacuum. And all of these you can purchase on Amazon.com. Now, these are all affiliate links. And what this company is doing is they are buying ad space. Maybe they're spending about $1, and they're hoping that if you're looking for the best vacuum cleaner, you'll buy one of these and they'll make, let's say, 30 bucks because you bought a vacuum cleaner through them and they made their affiliate commission. So they spend $1 to make 30. Great idea. The one other instance where Amazon affiliate marketing works is when you have insanely high volume. It can be of cheap items, but let me do a search here in Google for best baby diapers for a newborn girl. A very reasonable search, probably many people do every day. Now here we get 11 best diapers of 2019. Now this is just an average blog, right? They don't actually sell anything. They're not gonna profit from you. It's just a mom helping a mom, right? Well, maybe not. If we go to this site, the first thing we see is our editors, independent, blah, 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 we may receive commissions on purchases made from our chosen links. And if we see here, there's 11 links from Amazon. And guess what every link has? It has their affiliate ID, okay? Right there on every one of these links is their affiliate ID. And what we can see is their affiliate ID is verywellfamily-20. That's their affiliate ID. Amazon affiliate marketing, in summary, works in two cases. Either you're selling extremely expensive products that are, generally speaking, over $1,000 or at least over a couple hundred. Or in cases where you're doing massive volume, you have millions of mothers looking on Google for the best baby diapers. And in this case, this person has just hundreds of links to Amazon on her site with all of the best baby stuff. Look, Amazon link, Amazon link. We have Walmart affiliate link, okay? So this person is using a combination of Amazon and Walmart affiliate links. So you have crazy volume or you're selling stuff with crazy prices. Those are the cases where it works. Hope this was helpful. Woo! I hope you learned something from this video on whether Amazon affiliate marketing works. If you are looking for more profitable affiliate programs to join and be a part of, I suggest you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification icon. And when you subscribe, you'll be given instant access to a free affiliate marketing course on YouTube, totally free. That'll tell you more about what I do and how affiliate marketing works. Also, I suggest you like this video if you got some value from it, and leave a comment of what you'd like to see me talk about next in my next video. See you later.